Hey guys, welcome to App Making Academy. So this video I'm going to teach you how to run your Flutter application in a real Android device. In case if you are new to this channel, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the instant notification whenever we are uploading a new video. So this channel is all about Flutter and mobile application freelancing. So if you are interested, feel free to subscribe. So let's dive into the session. To run the Flutter application on your device, so make sure you have connected the USB cable. So then we have to do some settings. So let me share my screen and show what are the settings you have to do. So here inside the device, you need to go to the settings. So if you scroll down, so you can see the systems. Okay, sometimes you can see about phone, something like that. Okay, you need to click that. So if you are seeing the developer option, you can go there. In case if you are not seeing the developer option, go to the about phone. So you can see the build number here. You need to click the build number for multiple times, up to 7 times, sometimes 9 times. So once you enable that, so you can see some option like you are already developer, something like that. Okay. So you have to come back. So now you are able to see the developer option. So click the developer option. So here you have to enable the developer option, and if you scroll down, so you can see the USB debugging. You need to enable this also. Once you enable the USB debugging, so come to your terminal, you need to type Flutter devices and hit enter. It will show the list of devices. So now you can see our device is connected. Sometimes if you are not seeing, what you have to do, you have to go to the settings. So here you have to select the option. Select USB configuration, click that. So you have to select MIDI. So this is for some devices only. Most cases it will work when you enable the USB debugging. Sometimes it is not working means, so you need to select as a MIDI. So then it will work. So once you are seeing the connected device, you need to type Flutter run to run your application on a device. So now you can see our application is running on the real device. Next, I'm going to teach you how to run the application wirelessly. Okay, so you have to do the same configuration. First, you have to connect the wire, then only we can connect wirelessly. Okay, so for that, I'm going to stop the application. So this is the command you have to execute. So make sure your application connected first with the USB. So then you have to type this command. ADB DCP IP, and this is the port number. So this number you can change it. So I'm going to copy this and paste here. So now it is running. So next we have to connect the IP address. To get the IP address of a device, you need to go to the settings. So if you go to the system, about phone, go to the status. So here you can see the IP address. So 192.168.1.3. Make sure your device is connected on the same network. Okay, so if it is connected on the different network, you cannot connect it. Okay, so you have to connect on the same network, then only it will work. So I'm just going to copy this and paste here. So now the device is connected. I'm going to remove the USB cable. Okay, so I'm going to remove it. So here I'm going to type Flutter devices again. So here you can see the same device is connected, but it is from the network. Okay, so I'm going to run the application now. Flutter run. So now you can see the application is running on the device, so without any USB cable. So I'm going to make some changes and do the refresh now. So I'm just going to change the background color. So now you can see the changes has been updated here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you on the next video. Bye bye.